Welcome to Dry Gwen Honey. What's going on with our swarms? About 2 or 3 weeks ago, I equalised these two swarms together to try and make the green one there a bit stronger. I took away from the one in the brown box here. That used to be in a poly box. So today we're going to get in there, see if it's worked. See if we got two colonies or if this one in the green box is just going to die. Always suited up. Smoke is lit. See how they're doing. Here's how they're looking. Oh, big and strong. Yeah, boy, these gonna need a new box. Yes, look at that. They haven't got the same temperament as my breakfast colony. They're coming up trying to headbutt me already. I'm just gonna give them a bit of smoke. Let's see how they're doing. They're just starting on doing this outside frame. I'm not too convinced about this queen. It's like very, very spotty brood. Like, look at that, there's bees that's emerging, but they're very, very, very spotty. They're getting the stores, so no, they're being fed there. Like, look at this brood, it's very spotty. Look at the brood there, it's like, I'm not impressed with this queen, she's gonna go. The next round of queens that get bought, this is having one. This is a bit better, but still pretty spotty. You're not producing much propolis. Look at that, look, for brood pattern. Look, there's bees in all different stages right next to each other in here. There's eggs, fat larvae, small larvae, all right next to each other. They're either just completely cannibalizing the brood and run out of food. What's something else is going on? They're trying to get me, man. What are these guys up to? They're definitely getting a new queen. There she is. There's this swarm queen. You know, it will be a shame. She's the first one I marked, everything like that. Nice big fat queen. But look at them. Big fat larvae right next to eggs. Right next to little larvae. What's going on, man? But notwithstanding the queen's brood pattern, these guys are ready to have another box, I think. Let's have a look at this one. These, if you remember, which had a tiny, tiny bit of brood, maybe like 20, 30 bees. Let's see if they're still in there. Oh, well, there's bees. Would you look at that? I didn't think there'd be anything in there. Well, there's still bees in there. There's still bees in there. Would you look at that? There's hope for our tree queen yet. Wow, these guys have been busy. Considering there's not many bees, they've still got a lot of pollen. They've got a lot of dead brood, look. Can you see? All that in there. Dead brood. See all the black ones there? That's where the brood was chilled when I first put it in, and they had no way to keep these bees alive. There's still not many bees to keep all those eggs alive. Look at the queen. She's laying like mad. There's no way they're going to be able to keep all that alive. But she's trying anyway. This is why I want to give this queen a go. This too. All dead brood. We should have to wait for the bees to be able to clear all that out. All dead brood there. This is also all dead brood. There's the queen. There's a bee on here somewhere with deformed wing virus. I've just seen it. See it there right in the middle? This bee. So they got a varroa problem in here. I'm not surprised considering how tiny the amount of bees that were left in here with the cap brood. Some brood has emerged. There's still not a lot. Might have to combine this in with another colony. Or just shake it out. Which there's only a small queen. Maybe I'm just too sentimental with this one at the minute. Don't want to kill the one I've caught in the tree. But they've got a virus problem. They've got all these dead bees they got to get rid of. There's not quite enough bees to take care of the brood. This could really do with being combined with the colony, I think. What do you think? What do you think, John? What should I do with this one? I'll shut it up for now and see what you guys think. But if this video doesn't come out for a few weeks, I may have already recombined it with another split or something. So I might have already taken action. What would you do? Let me know. What would you do? Well, that little swarm have come on good, haven't they? That first swarm there turned into a bumper. It's gonna need a box soon. The other one, I might just have to cut my losses with it, innit? You know, can't be sentimental about it. She gotta go. She gotta go. Oh well. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you again. Ta-ra.